Hi, people. Need a quick confirmation in the chat box regarding the sounds. Good evening. Need a quick confirmation. Am I loud and clear? Yes. All good? Perfect. So, last week, I think we completed up to the question number 2. Yes. We completed the question number 2, right? Can I get a confirmation? Good. So, today, I'm going to teach you one of the very important items which is there in your syllabus. Discounts. Listen carefully, people. By taking this entire page, I'm going to explain you, I'm going to give you the complete idea about the discounts. Okay. So you have to listen carefully. Once I am done with the explanation, I will give you time to write down the note. You tell me in simple terms, what is discount? As you think, as you feel, what is discount? What is this? What is this discount? Uh, what is this discount? In simple terms, people, yes. In simple terms, discount is a reduction. Simple as that. In simple terms, discount is a reduction. It is that simple. Okay. Listen, huh? So in your syllabus, O-level syllabus, you will be studying two types of discounts, people. In your O-level syllabus, you will be studying two types of discounts. There is something called trade discount. And there is something called cash discount. So what is this trade discount, people? Let me explain it to you. What is this trade discount? Sometimes when you are going to buy something, then මෙහෙම තියනවා කියමුකෝ item එක. This is the item that you are going to buy. Okay. This is the item that you are going to buy. They have displayed a tag like this. 10% off. So this is the discount that they have displayed. As you think, why they have displayed this one, people? 10% discount එක. Why they might have displayed this 20% discount tag? Why they might have displayed this 30% discount tag? Why they might have displayed a 50% discount tag? What can be the reason? What can be the reason? As you think, හිතන විදියට. Why? So simply, it is a small marketing trick. When we see the discount tag, automatically as human nature, we will get attracted to it. So what you have to understand, now we'll assume this particular product. Okay. This particular product, they have priced it as maybe 10,000. We'll assume a shoe, a 10,000. maybe an Adidas shoe. Adidas shoe, 10,000 ganna bahe. I'm just saying, and they have displayed a tag of 20% off here. Then you know, okay, I'm not required to pay 10,000. From this 10,000, I will get a reduction of 20%. I will get a reduction of 20%. Then 10,000 is the price they have displayed. We'll call it as list price. List price. From that, now you are getting a discount 10,000 into 20%. Then how much is the discount? 2,000. So here you have to pay. We have to pay cash only 8,000. So this 2,000 reduction that we got no paper. May 2,000 reduction. This 2,000 reduction, we will call it as paper trade discount. We will call it as trade discount. This 2,000 reduction that we got. Okay. Now listen carefully. So everyone tell me now how much money that I have to pay for that shop person, people. Tell me. For that shop, how much money I have to pay? Tell me. For that shop, how much money I have to pay now? We have to pay only 8,000 because they gave a discount of 2,000. Now we'll assume, we'll assume that person who is there in the shop is one of your known person. We'll assume like that. Done. So you are buying the shoe and you are not giving money. You are not giving money. You are buying it. You are not giving money to him. So you are telling, Macha, I'll give you money in another 3 months. I'll give you money in another 3 months. So now you should pay him 8,000. You should pay him 8,000. Now you said after 3 months only you will be giving the money. Now 2 months are over. Masa dekak kivarai. Maga is calling. And there is a small problem these days. I'm having a small problem in money. I'm running out of cash. You said me you will be giving me that 8,000 in another 1 month, no? So 2 months, any 3 months only. Out of 3 months, 1 month, 2 months are over. Only another 1 month is there. So he's telling, Macha, can't I get the money today itself? Can't I get the money today itself? I will give you another 1,000 reduction. I will give you another 1,000 reduction. Another reduction. Another reduction. Now I have to pay him only how much? 7,000. Now I have to pay him only 7,000. So people, in this example, the first reduction that we got, it is purely for the marketing purpose. To attract customers only, they have displayed that 20%. To attract customers, then customers will go. No? But this 1,000 is it to attract the customers. Understand his situation. මිනිහට පොඩ්ඩක් සල්ලි ෂෝට් එකක් තියෙනවා. මම need some money. So that 1,000 reduction he gave not to attract more customers, to get the money early. So this discount was given for marketing purpose. For marketing purpose. This reduction is giving, why? To get the money early. To get the money early. So for the marketing purpose, the discount that you give, we will call it as trade discount. To get the money early, the discount that you are giving, reduction that you are giving. කවුරු හරි ළමෙක් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can any student tell me what is the name that we are giving for it? What is the name that we are giving for it? What is the name? Anna Hari, super. That's what we'll call it as cash discount. Simple as that. Simple as that. So people, discounts how many types? 2 types. What are the 2 types? One is for the marketing purpose. Other one is to get the money quick. The discount that you are giving for the marketing purpose, everyone tell me, all the students tell me, to attract more customers. ඔයා දෙන discount එක මොකක්ද ළමයි? Trade discount. To get the cash quickly, to get the cash quickly, then a reduction එකට කියන නම මොකක්ද ළමයි? Everyone tell me. To get the cash quickly, to get the cash quickly, then a discount එකට කියන නම මොකක්ද ළමයි? Everyone tell me. Cash discount. So there are 2 types of discounts, people. Oops. So Hafil, didn't you watch the previous recordings? Didn't you watch the previous recordings? So today it's up to you. I am in the middle of a chapter. We are doing the chapter number 10. Okay, I am in the middle of a chapter. So you decide whether you are going to stay in the class or not. Probably you will not get anything. You will not understand anything because you should have the knowledge of all the previous things that we studied. So people, okay. Then everyone tell me, help me people. Help, please help me. Please help me. Trade discount then a purpose එක මොකක්ද? Everyone tell me. Trade discount. Main purpose. Tell me. Is marketing. To attract more customers. To attract more customers. Cash discount. Cash discount, tell me people. Main purpose is to get the money early. To get the money early. For us or supply. Okay. Now listen carefully. Yeah. This trade discount is there. No. Trade discount also there are 2 types. Can any student tell me what are those two types? Trade discounts also there are two types. Any student? Can you all tell me what are those two types? Very simple, no people. One student is giving me the answer. One student is giving me the answer. I think Abdul, you will have to talk to my coordinator because she is the person who is handling everything. So just talk to her. She will tell. I'm also not pretty sure about it. So just send a message to my coordinator. Okay. So people in business now, certain students are giving me the answers. No problem. But the problem is a lot of people are giving me the answers without having the proper understanding. That's the issue. So let me give you the crystal clear understanding. So in businesses, we are doing normally two tasks. One is we will purchase, one is we will sell. One will we will purchase items. One is we will sell items. So one task that we are doing is purchase. Other task that we are doing sell. So when we are purchasing people, what will happen? We will get discounts. When we are purchasing, we will get trade discount. When we are selling, what we will do, people? We will give discount to our customers. We will give trade discounts. We will give trade discounts. So for this one, people, we are giving a name. For this particular discount, we are giving a name. We will call it as trade discount, trade discount received. For this one, we are giving a name, trade discount given. For given, there is another name. Can anyone tell me what is that name? For given, there is another name in accounting. When we are giving discount to our customers, we will call it as allowed. Allowed. Good. Cash discount also same thing. Cash discount also there are two types. Cash discount also there are two types. So cash discount is the discount, people, when we are paying money or when we are receiving money. So when we are paying to suppliers, receiving money from customers, paying money to suppliers, paying money to suppliers. Suppliers ලට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ. For these people only we say people creditors. This is only debtors. So here we will get cash discount. Here we will give cash discount. So if we are getting any cash discount, can anyone tell me what's the name for it? We will call it as cash discount receipt. Here, cash discount given or allowed. So now listen carefully, people. Listen carefully. Now I have written 4 things. 1, Anna, Dovina. 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many of you have studied. If you have studied this part, if I am telling out of these 4 items, for the double entry system, for the accounting system, we are taking only 2 items. We are not taking 2 items for double entry system, for the accounting system. Can anyone tell me what are the 2 items that we are not taking for the double entry system? What are the 2 items that we are not taking for the double entry system? Can anyone tell? Anyone who has studied this part in your schools? Items දෙකක් අපි ගන්නවා, items දෙකක් ගන්නෙ නැහැ. So I have highlighted four types of discounts. Trade discount received, trade discount given, cash discount received, cash discount given. Out of these 4 items, we are not taking 2 items. Very important thing, people. Remember, these are just reduction for mainly for marketing purpose. Therefore, not considered for the double entry system. Double entry system. That means simple. Trade discounts we are not considering for the double entry system because why? Because it is given mainly for the marketing purpose. Fundamentally, globally accepted technique. Trade discounts not taking for the double entry system. When it's come to the cash discount received, considered as income. Considered as income in double entry system. Cash discount given, considered as expense in double entry system. So people, again, I am telling, out of these four, out of these four, these are just reductions, trade discounts. These are not considered, not considered in the double entry system. Cash discount received will be considered as income, given considered as expense. Write the complete thing. Write the complete thing. Start writing. If you all are done, post the letter D in the chat box, people. No, in the tute itself, you can write it, no? In the tute, page number 5, I have kept this space. The complete page is there. Page number 5. So you can use the complete page and write it. If you are done, let me know, people. Using a letter D. Okay. Now, let's move to the next question. XYZ purchased goods, list price 40,000, received a trade discount of 20%. Record the journal entries. So, people, list price is there, 40,000. List price or displayed price. Display කරලා තියෙන price එක. Trade discount. Trade discount. 20%. So 40,000 into 20%. Then the reduction is 8,000. Price or the cost. I'll do it in other side, people. Question 3. List price 40,000. Trade discount received 40,000 into 20%. That means 8,000 reduction. Then here price or the purchase cost after trade discount 32,000. 32,000. Now you tell me, people, double entry. Purchase 32,000 worth stock. What's a double entry? Double entry. Debit the purchase account 32,000. Credit the cash account 32,000. That's it. That's it. Are we writing this one, people? If you won't write down, trade discounts are not considered in double entry system. Write down the answer. always we have to take the value after trade discount. If you all are done, let me know, people. The accounts. Oh, no. Later we'll do. Just write the double entry. That's enough. Just write the journal entry. That's enough. This is the journal entry. Here. Journal entry means double entry. Journal entry, another name is double entry. In this class, anyone is there who got the class highest for the commerce subject? Class highest. Anyone is there for the term test? Sure. Seriously? I didn't expect. 3 people are there. Good, good, good. Good. Tisha, Davina, Yunus, and Ubaidullah, 4. Good, good. Anyone second or third? Anyone second or third? Class second highest or third highest for the commerce subject? That one, 2 people are there, no? Good. That means Atana Hatarai, Metana Dekai, Hayai. There are 10 people in the class. 6 people are there in the first 3. Good. How much, Vinati? Okay. ළමයි ඉතින් මට දාන්න ඕගොල්ලන්ට මාක්ස් එහෙම આવොත් දාන්න. I like to know your marks to me. Certain people sent it. So hereafter going forward, school term test ඉවරනම මාක්ස් එහෙම හම්බුනොත් මට ටිකක් දාන්න. So my result is your result, no? So I like to know it. Certain marks are shocking. Yunus, it's like this. When it's come to your O-level exam, there is a marking pattern, no? Okay. When we are marking, we are not allocating marks for the names for your cash account or cash book. We are not allocating marks like that. As long as if the relevant word cash is there with the correct values, then you will get the full marks. But you don't follow that method for the school term test because school term test exams are marked by your school teachers now. So they might cut the marks, not in your O-level exam. Don't worry. Whatever the thing that I'm teaching here, you can directly use it for the O-level exam, but not for the school exam. Always prioritize your school teacher over me when it's come to the school exam. Because school exam papers are marked by school teachers. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Then one day you can take all the business, no? Becoming that young business person, businesswoman, made at the young age becoming the CEO, like in movies. So we'll move to the next question, people. Yeah, no, for certain schools, it's getting closer to the second term also. I think for the second term, you will get maybe unit number 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. මේ හතර දෙන්නේ. Oh, there are more units. I'll getting 8 also. 8 also. Yes. For certain schools, 8 also there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means from 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Correct. Correct. That is something which I always love. Becoming an entrepreneur. So I have that problem. I can't work under someone. So that problem is there with me. That's why I'm doing like lecturing. So I worked for corporates like 4 years. After that, while I'm doing in the corporate, I was lecturing for ACC and CIMA. After that, I decided no more. Corporate is not for me. Always conflicts. No, my patient level is very high because in corporates it's not aligned with me actually. It's not in my basket. I want to try out a lot of things. I want to fail. I want to learn a lot. But in companies, it's not like that. When you get into a corporate career, like you will study what's there in the company. It will be a very methodical, step-by-step process actually in companies. So first step to second step, then that's how you will climb up in the career ladder. But I like challenges in my life. I want to fail. From the failings, I want to learn. So I like to have up and downs, but finally the ultimate target should go up. It's like that. I like to have downs also, but corporates it's very less. Like we are step by step. If you work properly, step by step, you can climb up in the ladder. Nicely, you can climb up in the ladder, and you can settle your life also nicely. Maybe if you are a good, highly performing employee, maybe at the age of 28, 29, 30, maybe at the age of like 30, you can go for a well-settled life in big companies. Like I'm talking about Unilever, Nestle, Fonterra, Reckitt, Brandix, MS. So මේ වගේ companies වලට යන්න ලේසි නැහැ. There are big other kind of processors are there. ඕගොල්ලෝ තාම චූටිනේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ higher educations කරද්දී ඒ වගේ ඒවා මගෙන් අහන්න මං කියන්න. Like if you all are doing ACC, my professional qualifications started ඔය වගේ කරනවා නම් I'll tell you later on. Cool. Now let's move to the second question. Not second one, fourth one. Purchase goods on credit. This time on credit. List price 50,000. Trade discount. Again, highlight the word trade. Trade discount 10%. So, list price 50,000. Trade discount receive 10%. 50,000 into 10%. So 5,000 reduction. Price for the purchase cost after trade discount. 45,000. So people again help me with the journal entry. Help me with the double entry. This time it's a credit purchase. It's a credit purchase. Debit the purchase account. 45,000. Credit the good. Credit the trade creditors. Or trade payable. 45,000. Trade discounts are not recorded in the double entry system. D එක දෙන්න ඉවරනාට පස්සේ people. Okay. So Now let's move to the question 5. Purchased a machine this time, huh? Purchased a machine. List price is 100,000. Trade discount 10%. Let's write it. List price 100,000. Trade discount received 10%. That means 10,000. Price or machine cost. Machine cost after trade discount 90,000. Now tell me people the double entry. This time you purchased a machine, huh? Very good. So you are getting a machine this time, not the stock. Stock only we will write in the purchase account. Stock only we will write in the purchase account. This is a machine. So debit machine account, credit cash account 90,000. Trade discounts are not recorded in double entry system. Always we have to write the value after trade discount. After trade discount. So why I am keep on writing the same thing again and again and again and again, people? වදින්න. මෙතනට වදින්න ඕනේ. If you all are done, let me know, people. Good. Now let's move to the next question. Question 6. So this time you purchased the machine on credit. Machine on credit. List price 200,000. Again, trade discount. Trade discount 20%. Let's write it. List price, quoted price, displayed price. ඔක්කොම එකයි යා. List price, quoted price, displayed price. Everything is same. 200,000. %, 20%. That means 40,000. 160,000. Price or machine cost after the trade discount. Now look at this carefully. Yeah, look at this carefully. So this is a credit purchase of machine. So debit the machine account. Debit the machine account. Credit, if you write creditors, people, it is wrong. Don't write creditors, because creditors generally we are using for the trade creditors. Creditor, single word creditor is there, no? Single word creditor generally we are using for the trade creditors. So it's better to write other කියන word එක. Other creditor, if not other payable. Use the word the other. If not, you can use machine payable also. Machine payable also. Account. So use one of these words. Don't just use creditor, because generally we are using the one single word creditor. Generally we are using it for the trade creditors. Trade badu, main badu dena kattiya in our business. Watch business no we are doing. Watch dena kattiya. Not the machine that and this. So only for the main badu supply only we are using the word trade. If it is just creditor, generally it is trade. So use the word other always. Trade discount not considered in double entry system. Always we should take the value after the trade discount. After the trade discount. If you all are done, post a letter DB. Good. Now let's move to the next one. Seventh one. Question 7. Now it's coming to the sales side. Now it's coming to the sales side. In the month of June, XYZ Limited sold 20 tables. Each table list price is 10,000 and trade discount 5%. Record the journal entry. It's a sale. Sale. Sold means sale. So let's do it, people. List price 20 tables, each 10,000. 20 into 10,000. Then here 200,000. Trade discount given or allowed, both are same. So 200,000, how many percent? 5%. Then here 2,000 into 5, 10,000. Then here 190,000. Value of sales after the trade discount. Then here double entry for the sales people. Help me with the double entry for the sales. Debit the cash account, credit the sales account. 190,000. Again, trade discounts are not considered in double entry system. Always we should take the value after trade discount. If you are done, let me know, people. Good. Now let's move to the next question. Question 8. Okay. Now things are becoming little advanced. Things are becoming little advanced. Here, see. List price for the purchase 10,000, trade discount. Yes, sure. Trade discount 10%. Purchased on credit 25th March. This is 1st January, no? 25th March. Cash discount received when making the payment. Record the journal entry. Now, this is the important thing. This is what mostly that you are getting in your exam. Question 8. First, take the list price. List price or quoted price or displayed price. ඔක්කොම එකයි. 10,000. Trade discount receipt. 10,000, 10%. So here 1,000. Then price or the purchase cost after trade discount 9,000. So let's write the double entry for this 9,000 first, will you people? So this is happening on 1st January, yeah? So I'm going to write the double entry for the 1st January. This one. 1st January. Debit the purchase account. Credit the, it's a credit purchase. Okay, here see. Purchase on credit. So trade creditor or trade payable account. 9,000. 9,000. So this is the first term. So finish that part, will you? First finish that, people. I'll just draw the T accounts also for this one. Here you have the purchase account. Here you have the trade creditor account. Purchase account debit 9,000. Trade creditor account credit 9,000. 1st January. 1st January. So once you are done with that, let me know. Then I'll teach the trade discount. Yes, better. For this question, better use. Because then you will get a good picture about the trade discount and the cash discount. But we need some space up here down. We are not done. We need some space. So just keep like maybe another 4-5 lines and draw anywhere that you need. Now people listen. Next 25th March, when I am going to give money, when I am going to make the payment, nice supplier, he is giving me 5% cash discount. So how to calculate this, people? Listen carefully. Cash discount received. So normally we are calculating the cash discount for the amounts of receivable or payable. That means the amount that we have to receive or the amount that we have to pay people. Now here received, no, cash discount received will be on the amount that we have to pay to him. Not for the total amount, not for the list price. Don't take it for the list price, 100. Then here we are getting a reduction of 450. Then now we are getting a value of 8,550. So this is the cash payment to supplier, if not creditor. So listen, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Let me take a different color. So let me take this one first. 25th March. I am paying cash. My cash is going out. March. Cash is going out, credit, cash account. And here, my liabilities are reducing. Liability reduces debit. Trade, creditor, or trade, payable, which is 8,550. 8,550. Listen carefully, Listen carefully. Now this 450 is a cash discount. Cash discount. 450 is a cash discount. Y'all tell me, people, cash discount received will be considered as what when we are putting the double entries? Cash discount received, then note එක බලන්න මන්දුන note එක බලන්න. Check the note that I gave. Cash discount received will be considered as what when you are recording the double entries. Check the note that I gave you under the cash discount. Check it, people. Very good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the note. On the balan. Cash discount received will be considered as income, income, income. Mataka tiyagan. Then all the students tell me, all the students. Question number 1. Are we taking trade discounts to the double entry system? Trade discount gannavada lamai. Are we taking trade discount to the double entry system? Everyone tell me, we are not taking trade discounts to the double entry system. Are we taking cash discount to the double entry system? Yes. Then cash discount received is what, people? Cash discount received, income. Cash discount given, expense. Expense. That's it. Simply cash discount with the right double entry system. Simply you have to take only the cash discounts to the double entry system, not the trade discounts. So now let's record this one, people. 25, 3. So it's an income. It's an income. Incomes are credit. No. 3 entries. 3 entries. Double entry system means your debit side and credit side should balance. Debit side, credit side should balance. I'll come to that. Huh? Okay. So here, cash discount received, income. Cash discount received, income 450. Here, now I am not required to pay to that supplier that 450. No, I am not required to pay because he gave me a reduction. Nice fellow. So my liabilities are also reducing. Trade, creditor, trade payable. My that liability is reducing because now I am not required to pay him. Nice fellow gave me a reduction. Account 450. Now let me record the purple one. Let me record the purple one in the journal. So debit 8,550, 25th March. And here I'll draw the cash account. 8,550, 25th March. Now let me record the black color one. Debit 450, credit, open another account, cash, discount, received, income 450, 25 March. Now you see, people, in total creditor got reduced by how much? In total, the creditor got reduced by how much? In total, here say 9,000. So how did we settle that 9,000? 450 cash discount, 8,550 money. 450 cash discount, 8,550 money. In total, 9,000 reduced. Settled. That bugger settled. Finish it, people. Finish it. Once you are done, let me know. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Until I get your D's, I'll wait. Hello. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. So we'll finish this question, then we'll end it for the day, people. Okay. Let's do this question. Only this question. Question number 9. Last question for the day. List price a sale 50,000. This time we are selling. Selling. Discount, trade, discount, trade. Trade deka 20. Sold on credit. Cash discount 10%. So we'll go through one by step by step. List price 50,000. Trade discount given 20%. 50,000, 20%. 10,000. Value or sale after trade discount 40,000. So now let's write it, people. So here trade discounts are not considered in double entry system. we have to take the value after rate discount. So this is the value that we have to take. What is the date? 1st February. 1st February. So 1st February. It's a sale. Debit. So you have to receive money. You sold on credit. You have to receive money in the future. Trade receivable or trade debtors. 40,000. Credit sales account 40,000. So done with the first step. Finish the first step, people. Then we'll move to the second step. Trade discount is done. Next one is cash discount. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. 30th June, when we are getting the money, we gave him. When we are receiving the money, we have given him a discount of how much? 10%. So it's a cash discount. Cash discount given or allowed. 40,000. Always you have to take it for the receivable or payable value. Don't take it for the list price. 10%. That means a 4,000. 36,000. Cash received from customer or debtor. So let me write the double entry. This one. 30th June. You are getting money, Debit the cash account. Credit your asset is reducing. Receivable asset is reducing now. Trade receivable or trade debtor account 36,000. Now let's move to the cash discount, people. Cash discount. Cash discount given. So cash discount given will be considered as what in the double entry system? Kiyanna lamai. cash discount given will be considered as what in the double entry system? Tell me, cash discount given. Cash discount given will be considered as expense. Expense. So expenses are debit. Cash discount given or allowed. Expense account. From other end, trade receivable or trade debtor is reducing. Now he is not required to give that money to me because I am giving him a discount. Trade debtor 4,000. So I'll just prepare the T accounts also. Here you have the trade receivable or debtor, sales account, cash discount given, expense, and cash account. $40,000, credit 40,000. 1st February. $4,000, 30th June. 4,000. Then cash receipt, debit 36,000, here 36,000. So in total, debtors are getting settled by 40,000. So if you want, you can write that also. Total value. Total values you can write. Here, trade debtor or trade receivable, credit 40,000, debit the cash account 36,000, debit the discount given or allowed 4,000. So total debits are equal to the total credit. Done. Just write this last note paper. With that, we'll finish. In the exam, if they just say discount given or discount received. This means what, people? This is cash discount or trade discount. Just telling discount given, discount received. Just say. Trade කියන්නෙත් නැහැ, cash කියන්නෙත් නැහැ. Just saying discount given, discount received. Just say. This means what? Trade discount or cash discount. Yes, correct. This means it is cash discount given or cash. Cash discount given or cash discount received. If they just say discount given, discount received, that means it is cash. Cash discount given or cash discount received. So before finishing, people, any doubts regarding the discounts? If I quickly run through the discounts, two types, trade, cash, trade, just a reduction, marketing purpose mainly, cash discounts, cash discount received, cash discount given, cash discount received income, cash discount given expense. That's it. Any doubts, any questions, people? Any doubts, any questions? If it is a no, please post maybe whatever the message that you want. All clear? All clear? Cool? Perfect. Then that's it. Tata, bye. Let's meet again next week. Jai. Welcome, people. No problem.